G'day. So this is a video where I'm going to be talking about the review ribbon in Word. I'm specifically going to be looking at word count and comments. There's other features. There's a thesaurus. There's a spelling checker, obviously, and there's other features you can check out on your own time, but I'm specifically going to be looking at those. So, one of the things I really like using Word for is, let's say I need to put something into Twitter or some other social media app, and they give me a limit. What I like to do is construct the information in Word. That allows me to highlight everything, or I can just press Control A, which automatically highlights everything, and it'll tell me you have 501 characters, although usually they measure the spaces, so 625. So let's say I only have space for 600. It'll tell me, hey, I need to shorten what I've written, and I have a bigger window to do that than some social media apps give you. With comments, I really like comments because it allows you, let's say somebody sent you a soft copy of something, hey, can you edit this for me? As opposed to you making changes, you can actually comment on the material and suggest changes, and then it's up to the writer to decide, do I want to make those changes or not? And again, it's a different way of doing that. I know there's other word software or other word type software you can do similar things, but I really like this option. Okay, and so here I can sort of say you should indent. Also, where is your title? And I can literally leave a note or a comment for the writer, which they can later on read. I might further comment on something else that they've done and say, let the reader know, oops, what type of sauces are in the burger, or hot sauces, okay? And I might give more information than that, but just I find this is really good. Then you save it, and you send it back to the person, and they can see your comments on it without you actually changing their work, so that for them, let's say they disagree with your point of view, they don't have it altered, okay? And especially when you're writing a document that's more than one page. If you're writing a one-page document, the person can sort of look through it. But for expediency's sake, if you're writing a 5, 10, 20-page document, I find this is really good, especially when I was at university. They didn't quite have something like this, but they had something similar, which I would use from time to time when me and others would edit each other's work. So, anyways, hope you liked the video. Hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Later.